What does the future hold for medical affairs, and how will it impact patient outcomes? This is a question that's been at the forefront of the pharmaceutical industry's collective mind. Medical affairs, once a peripheral function, is now stepping into the limelight, becoming a co-equal third pillar of pharmaceutical companies. This shift is as monumental as it is necessary, taking its place alongside research and development and commercial aspects. But why is this happening now? Well, the answer lies in the rapidly changing landscape of healthcare, spearheaded by two major factors: the COVID-19 pandemic and the unstoppable march of technology. The COVID-19 pandemic, an unprecedented global crisis, has brought the importance of medical affairs into sharp focus. It's not just about developing treatments and vaccines, but also about communicating complex scientific information to the public, health professionals, and regulatory bodies. And who better to do this than medical affairs, the bridge between the scientific and commercial worlds of pharma? Advancements in technology, on the other hand, are reshaping the industry in ways we've never imagined. From the use of artificial intelligence in drug discovery to the rise of telemedicine, technology is not just changing how we do things, but also what we can do. And once again, medical affairs is at the heart of this transformation, navigating the intersection of science and technology. In light of these developments, it's clear that the future of medical affairs is not just bright, but critical. From being a support function to becoming a strategic driver, medical affairs is redefining its role in the pharmaceutical industry. It's about leveraging science and technology to make informed decisions, drive innovation, and ultimately improve patient outcomes. As we delve into the future, the role of medical affairs continues to evolve and expand, taking center stage in healthcare. The year 2025 marked a significant shift in the landscape of medical affairs. It was a period that saw an influx of massive investment into the realm of science, creating a robust pipeline of diverse therapeutic options. This was a game changer, offering an array of new possibilities for patient treatment and care. The industry began to bloom like a flower in spring, revealing the true potential of scientific advancement. The fruits of this investment were not just limited to the development of new therapies. It also led to an impressive leap in our understanding of diseases, their mechanisms, and how they can be effectively treated or even prevented. An equally important development during this time was the advancement of real-world evidence capabilities. This was no small feat. Real-world evidence provided a more accurate and comprehensive picture of how treatments worked in real-life settings, outside the controlled environment of clinical trials. This meant that healthcare practitioners and patients had access to more reliable information, allowing for better informed decisions about treatments. Moreover, there was a notable increase in access to more assets per indication than ever before. This meant that both patients and healthcare providers had a wider range of options to choose from, thus personalizing care to a level previously unseen. But the advancements didn't stop there. The industry also saw a heavy investment in data scientists and engineers, integrated data sets and technology designed to drive performance and collaboration. These investments were key in transforming traditional activities and setting the stage for the next phase of evolution in medical affairs. By 2030, this evolution has further accelerated, pushing the boundaries of traditional medical affairs. This period marked a new era where medical affairs became a co-equal third pillar of pharmaceutical companies, alongside research and development and commercial aspects. The future of medical affairs was no longer just a vision, it was a reality. Technology has been a key player in reshaping the face of medical affairs. As we've moved into the third decade of the 21st century, we've seen an unprecedented investment in science and technology within the industry. This has led to a robust pipeline of diverse therapeutic options and a massive leap forward in our ability to utilize real-world evidence in decision-making. The industry has recognized the value of data and has made significant investments in data scientists and engineers. These experts are tasked with the job of understanding and interpreting the vast amounts of data generated every day. They are the ones who sift through the noise to find the valuable insights that can drive performance and collaboration. They are the ones who turn data into knowledge. In addition to the human element, the industry has also invested heavily in integrated data sets and technology. This fusion of data and technology has allowed for a more holistic view of patients and diseases, leading to more personalized and effective treatments. We are now able to understand patients not just as a set of symptoms, but as individuals with unique health profiles and needs. But the role of technology in transforming medical affairs doesn't end there. We've also seen the emergence of innovative technologies like natural language processing and generative artificial intelligence. Natural language processing allows us to understand and interpret the vast amounts of unstructured data that exists in the form of text, while generative artificial intelligence is helping to transform traditional activities by predicting outcomes, identifying trends, and even generating new ideas. These technologies are not just reshaping how we work, but also what we work on. They are enabling us to tackle complex problems in innovative ways and to push the boundaries of what is possible in medical affairs. As we look to the future, it's clear that the role of technology in medical affairs will continue to grow. It will be at the forefront of driving innovation, improving patient outcomes, and shaping the future of the industry. The integration of technology has not just reshaped medical affairs, but also set the stage for its future. The vision for medical affairs in 2030 revolves around 4 core deliverables. First and foremost is accelerating impact on patient outcomes. The goal here is to take the advancements in medical science and ensure they translate into tangible results for patients. This means not just pushing for new treatments, but ensuring that these treatments are effective and accessible. It's about making a real difference in the lives of patients, improving their health and their quality of life. Next is cultivating diverse skill sets within teams. In the world of medical affairs, a diverse team is a strong team. It's about bringing together experts from various fields, from research and development to data science, to work towards a common goal. This diversity of skills and perspectives is what drives innovation and leads to breakthroughs. The third deliverable is leveraging healthcare data for decision-making. The importance of data in modern medicine cannot be overstated. With the help of advanced data analysis techniques, medical teams can make more informed decisions about patient care. They can identify trends, predict outcomes, and tailor treatments to individual patients. It's about using data to guide actions, to ensure that every decision is backed by solid evidence. Finally, setting ambitious medical strategies. The world of medicine is always moving forward, and medical affairs teams need to stay ahead of the curve. This means setting ambitious goals and strategies, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in medicine. It's about not just reacting to changes in the field, but driving those changes. These core deliverables form the backbone of the vision for medical affairs in 2030. The goal is clear: to create a future where medical affairs teams are proactive, diverse, data-driven, and ambitious, where they are making a real impact on patient outcomes. This is the vision for medical affairs in 2030. Patient impact remains at the heart of medical affairs. As we peer into the future, we see 5 key priorities emerging that will shape the patient impact in 2030. Firstly, enhancing patient engagement is crucial. In an age where information is at everyone's fingertips, creating meaningful connections with patients is more important than ever. This involves not just providing them with information, but also listening to their experiences and integrating their feedback into future strategies. Next, we have the goal of improving patient outcomes through innovative approaches. The blossoming of science and technology has given us a plethora of therapeutic options. The challenge now is to leverage these advancements to create new, more effective treatment strategies that will lead to better patient outcomes. Thirdly, driving evidence generation initiatives is key. As the saying goes, "In God we trust, all others must bring data." Real-world evidence capabilities have advanced significantly, allowing us to gather more and more data on how treatments are performing in the real world. This evidence will be crucial in informing our decisions and strategies moving forward. The fourth priority is promoting diversity and inclusion in healthcare. Diversity in healthcare is not just about ticking boxes on a form. It's about ensuring that every patient, regardless of their background, has access to the best possible care. This involves developing diverse skill sets within our teams and ensuring that our strategies are inclusive and equitable. Finally, Fostering collaboration across the healthcare industry is vital. The challenges we face in healthcare are complex and multifaceted. No single entity can solve them on their own. We need to break down the silos and foster a spirit of collaboration and partnership across the industry. This will enable us to pool our resources, share our insights, and work together to improve patient outcomes. As we look towards 2030, these priorities will guide the future of medical affairs. The future of medical affairs holds immense possibilities. As we've navigated through this discussion, we've seen how the landscape is being reshaped. By 2030, we envision medical affairs as a powerful pillar of pharmaceutical companies, standing alongside research and development and commercial operations. This is not just a prediction, but a reality that is already unfolding, spurred by the global health crisis and technological advancements. The industry is witnessing a substantial investment in science, leading to a pipeline of diverse therapeutic options. This means more choices for patients, more tools for healthcare practitioners, and more opportunities for pharmaceutical companies to make a difference. We've also seen how data science and technology are revolutionizing the way medical affairs operate. Integrated data sets, advanced real-world evidence capabilities, and the use of artificial intelligence are transforming traditional activities. These advancements are not just enhancing performance and collaboration, but also driving decision-making and strategic planning. The vision for medical affairs in 2030 is still centered around 4 core deliverables: enhancing patient outcomes, developing diverse skill sets within teams, leveraging healthcare data, and setting ambitious medical strategies. These deliverables will continue to serve as guiding principles, steering the industry towards a future that is more responsive, more innovative, and more patient-centric. And let's not forget the role of evidence generation initiatives. These initiatives are key in establishing the safety and effectiveness of new treatments, ensuring that they deliver on their promise, and ultimately, improving patient outcomes. The potential impact of these changes on the pharmaceutical industry is significant. It's about more than just reshaping operations or improving efficiency. It's about redefining what it means to be a pharmaceutical company in the 21st century, placing a greater emphasis on patient outcomes and driving the industry towards a future that is more patient-centric. As we move towards 2030, the future of medical affairs looks promising, with a focus on patient outcomes at its core.